Hello and welcome to a survival gameplay video for my voxel game or Minecraft clone Voxelworld. Uh, we're going to be creating a new world. I'll just call it my world, and well, I'll just keep everything the same. I'll just have a random seed, and we'll see what we get. All right. So we're near a snowy biome. I think we can just get that tree over here. Yeah. So anyway, I just recently released V0.4.0 for Voxelworld, and the main feature of it would be survival mode. And well, yeah, you can see that I'm playing it right now. So there are some missing features like there's no animals or monsters. So yeah, there's no like creatures in this world, and well, yeah, so I guess you're just gonna be surviving all by yourself. But there are tools you can like explore, build, collect resources, all that fun stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna craft a pickaxe to get some stone from that, I guess, snowy mountain over there. Anyway, yeah, I apologize if my commentary is a bit off. I'm not very good at, well, playing video games and talking, so it might be a little awkward. So yeah. Oh yeah, you can pick up the snow and you know. Oh, I just heard some thunder. There's like a thunderstorm happening where I'm living right now, so that's fun. Anyway, yeah. I'm just gonna grab some stone from the mountain. All right, that's enough for a stone pickaxe, so let's just get an upgrade. Oh yeah, do you know that you can combine two snow slabs together to get a snow block? Isn't that cool? Anyway, I'll grab some more stone. I think maybe uh oh yeah, snow slabs can like float, so that's fun. Anyway, um hopefully we can get enough stone for a set of stone tools. Yeah, I think that's enough. Let's just throw this over here. Do, 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 do. Yeah, I guess we'll get axe and shovel. So yeah, let's get mushroom. We can if we get like 6 mushrooms, we can craft that into mushroom soup. So that could be some useful food. Mm. Eh, nothing over here. Sometimes these leaves can drop apples, so that could be useful as well as like a convenient early game food. Anyway, yeah, for anyone that's new, I've been working on voxel game or Minecraft clone for a while, and it's mostly a programming challenge that I'm doing for fun, and I just recently managed to get survival mode to work, and I guess I can just show it off in this video. Anyway, let's go check out this cave. Okay, there's some coal in here, so that could be useful for some torches. Mm. So yeah, since there's no monsters, I don't really have to actually worry about anything happening at night. So yeah, technically I don't have to build any sort of base, but I guess it would be nice. Um, I guess we can collect more mushrooms. Let's get some wood. Maybe we could get apple from this tree. Uh, yeah. All right, let's go make some torches. There's a sapling, so I guess we can replant a tree if we wanted. Oh, yeah. Here's some seeds. We could do some farming later if I guess. I mean, that might be for later. I don't know. Should I turn this into a series, or would that be like completely so a complete failure or something? I don't know. Sorry, I'm rambling. Yeah. Anyway, let's go look for some apples here. Yeah, the leaves also can decay, so maybe they'll drop something. Oh, there we go, an apple. I believe these can heal 1 heart of damage, so that's nice. Um, yeah, let's craft some more planks. I guess we can chop down another tree. Oh, hey, I think that could be like our 6 mushroom that we can use to make some soup. So you make a bowl like this, and then with 6 mushrooms, whoops, you can make a mushroom stew. Oh yeah, and down there you can see like a little stamina bar that you can, well, you deplete it when you sprint, and you could one way to recover it would be to, well, eat, or it can naturally regenerate. Um, yeah. Okay, more seeds. All right. Let's just get some more trees. I'm just gonna cut down these 2 short ones over here. Uh, yeah. Let's keep half of them as logs and take the rest. Ooh, more mushrooms. Why not? Where's the sun? Okay. Okay, it's nearly setting, so I think we should probably... Again, there's no monsters, so I don't really need to do anything, but I guess I would like to have a place to be during the night, so yeah, let's head over to the mountains. Um, is there anything over here? Not really. Okay, I guess a sapling would be nice. Yeah, there's nothing here. So let's just go back to the mountain, I think, and I guess find the place that we dug out, and maybe we can build like a nice little base there. Let's get rid of that tree over here. Um, all right, get rid of the snow block. So I guess we're gonna be making a base in the snowy, I don't know what to call it, a snowy forest mountain or something. I don't know. Let's clear out the snow here. Mm, yeah, I think this could make a nice place for like a little starter mountain base. So that could be cool. All right, let's make a little door. Put it here. Put a nice torch in for some light. Okay, the sun's getting close to setting, so yeah. Ooh, found some coal. That's nice. I can make more torches. Maybe we can go mining. All right. Anyway, okay, I guess we can watch the sunset. Oh, hey, look. Here's some snowy trees. We can plant those. All right, the sun's over the horizon. You can see the sky kind of turning red. So yeah, that was a nice feature that I had a little bit of fun implementing. Um, yeah. Ah, crud, my pickaxe broke. So yeah, pickaxes, well, tools have durability, so of course when they run out, they break. So just like Minecraft. Yeah. Anyway, let's just clear out a little bit more space. And yeah, I think this is good enough. Yeah, this should be enough space for a starter base. So, yeah. Let's go. Let's actually make this not fully square and actually dig a little in here. This could be like our little um crafting space. Well, we have a crafting grid in our inventory, but for like a furnace or a chest, which I'm gonna craft right now actually. So let's make two chests and a furnace. All right. Now we have a place to store all our junk. So let's put a torch there. Um, let's craft a furnace. Actually, let's craft two furnaces. All right, let's stack them on top of each other and boom, a nice little space. Let's get some better lighting in here. Mm, there we go. Let's craft another torch. Well, 16 more torches. So yeah, what junk do we not need? I don't think we need all this cobblestone. Uh, let's sort this like roughly, I don't know, plant stuff here and I guess mining stuff here for now. Yeah. I guess I'll put snow here. Dirt. Yeah, actually, I don't know. I don't know what organization system I'm gonna use, but yeah. Eh, let's put the bowls away. And oh yeah, you can make I guess charcoal or coal with wood. So yeah, I guess I can show off the furnace burning stuff. Well, cooking, smelting. I don't know. Make refining stuff in action. So yeah, that's cool. I guess I'll make another one. Actually, let's make a like a like four of them so that we have enough for for like another set of torches. So yeah, I guess we could start a mine. So I'm gonna start making a staircase over here. All right, we should probably go check up on our stuff that we were making. So yeah, looks like it's done. Yep, we can make another 16 torches. All right, that's nice. I mean, I guess I probably did need to well, burn that wood, so because I had like coal here, but I just wanted to demonstrate the furnace. But yeah, let's make our actually let's make our. I'm gonna put the torches here so that's more convenient when the tunnel gets too dark. Well, the staircase gets too dark. I can just well swap it out and place a torch. Oh man, the durability on my pickaxe is getting kind of low. Let's actually make like a couple backups. There we go. I'm just gonna put them. I should probably throw away my wood pickaxe. I'm gonna wait on that. I'm just gonna dig for a little bit more. Oh, found some iron. So we can like upgrade our tools now. So hopefully it's a decently sized vein. Okay, it seems to have only been like 3 items. That's still enough for a pickaxe or a bucket. I guess we can just keep digging for a bit and then maybe we can find some more iron. At least I hope so. Oh, hey, look, we found a cave. Maybe there's some stuff in here. All right, let's put a torch here. Okay, this is a really pathetic cave. Yeah, there's nothing in here. Um, yeah. It's more of a hole inside the world than an actual cave. So yeah, let's just keep digging. All right, we found another cave. Is this one a little bit more exciting? Let's see. All right, let's clear out. Let's put a block there. Is there anything over? Nope. Ooh, that goes deep down. All right, so there's some coal here. Let's just go nab it. Yeah, I think there's. Is there stuff down here? All right, this cave system seems to go on for quite a bit, so hopefully we find something fun here. Mm. Okay, there's some lava down there. That should be interesting. I would like enough iron for like a pickaxe and a bucket by the end of this video, so yeah. Mm. No iron. That's rather unfortunate. Let's keep looking. Mm. Mm. All right, more coal. At least we won't be running out of torches too soon, so yeah. Wow, more coal. And I mean, I call this redstone, but it doesn't function like redstone in Minecraft. It's just, it basically is more like a thing that used to craft red torches and I guess make a red ore block or something. So it doesn't actually do any of the fun contraptions or anything. So also I don't, I, never mind. I don't know. Rambling there. More like red lapis lazuli, if you ask me. Um, yeah, ooh, this is gonna be a little bit tricky. Oh, more iron. Let's go. Will this be a decently sized vein? Yes. And there's some coal. Ooh, more stuff. All right, we got 9 iron. That should be enough for a few tools and some and a bucket. So yeah. Actually, let's go make the iron tools now. All right, there we go. Let's put a iron in there. Yeah, let's go exploring for a little bit more while our iron smelts. Maybe we can find some more stuff. Let's go convert our logs into planks, actually. Hmm. Ooh, there's some gold here. That anyway, so gold is actually the tier above iron, so I can't mine with a stone pickaxe. It's actually slightly different from Minecraft. I made it so that gold is needed to mine diamonds, and iron actually cannot mine diamonds, so that's kind of different. All right. Um, don't fall in the lava. Let's go check up on our iron. Let's actually, you know what? Let's just make an iron pickaxe and then get some gold. Crap, I might have lost my stuff. Where is it? Crud. I did not just get lost, did I? Alright, so I don't think anything's over here. Let's go over here. Okay, there we go. There's our furnace. Alright, we're good. Alright, let's actually put our stuff. Alright, let's make an iron pickaxe. So yeah, this is better than a stone pickaxe, and we can go get the gold. I wonder how much gold we'll get. Hmm. I think it was over here. Ish. Yeah, there we go. Gold. Okay, only two. That's not that great. Do we go over there? Ooh, don't fall off the bridge. Eh, just some coal. I suppose we can get it. All right, there's our remaining iron. Yeah. I suppose we can craft a bucket. So yeah, a bucket you can use to pick up some lava. I can place it down. So yeah, I can also use it to pick up water, but there's like no water nearby, so I guess I'll just take a bucket of lava as like a souvenir. Let's go grab some more coal. Yeah. Let's also grab our furnace. Hmm. Let's actually get some red ore as well. So you can use this stuff to craft torches. Well, red torches. So they're torches, but they emit red light if you can more carefully see that. Actually, let's go somewhere darker. Yeah, red light. Anyway, let's get out of here. Let's get some coal. Um, is there anything here? Nope. Crud. Did I get lost in this cave system? Actually, no. I think I recall coming through here, I believe. Um, okay, actually, let's go up there for a bit. Maybe there's something interesting. Nope, there doesn't really appear to be much. Let's just go back. Ouch. Oh yeah, I guess I can show off healing, so I can. So basically, there's no natural regeneration, so Um, it's kind of like Minecraft Alpha. You have to eat food and food doesn't stack. So yeah, you can eat apple. And well, technically I didn't need, I could have waited like until I lost another half heart because an apple restores 1 heart of health. But yeah, let's grab some more of this stuff. Can't hurt. Yeah. The only other use this has is my my knockoff redstone has is it can make this block. So yeah. And I don't want to re-implement, I don't want to like implement redstone, so yeah. That I don't know. I do want to continue working on this project as time goes on, so yeah. But for now I've got uh oof, don't fall down there. I've got university coming up, so I'm not sure how much time I'll have to work on this, but we'll see. Hmm. Let's try to get out of here. I think we went up here. Yeah. Okay, yep, there's our staircase up. Let's actually just put a torch here. Why not? All right, appears to be day now, actually. Oh wait, we were down in the mines for so long that the sun was setting. That's great. Anyway, let's go put some of our stuff here. I guess our most valuable stuff goes in this corner. I'll just craft like all of these into blocks, because why not? Mm, that should, alright, that's about it. Anyway, so this is all the stuff that we got from our mining trip. Oh yeah, and also these 2 red torches. You can't really see the red color here. Let's go put them outside. It's night, so yeah. It can look all spooky and eerie. Um, there we go. And I guess I'll put it on. I'll put one on this tree over here. Yeah, let me steal that mushroom. And let's put it up there. There we go. Now it looks all spooky going to my base. That's fun. Yeah, we can make a couple more red torches, I guess. I guess we have 1 piece of dust left over, so let's just put them down here. And I don't know. Yeah, let's put them here. Let's put our junk in here. I guess we also have a bucket of lava that I don't know what to do with. Um, yeah. I guess I'll put it over here. It could be like our little item incinerator. So if we have something that we don't want, we can just chuck it in there and then not think about it. Although thinking this might be a safety hazard. Ah, well, we'll worry about it later. Anyway, here's. Alright, let me rearrange my inventory. We have more stone, so I guess we want to build something with that. We could. We have coal, we have some iron, another furnace, which I don't know where to put. I guess I'll just mm, I guess I'll put it here. I don't like it there. Okay, I'll just put it in the chest. Unlike in Minecraft, I know this probably doesn't make much sense, but if you have a block on top of a chest, you can still open it. So, eh, I don't care. I'm not fixing that. So, furnace can just go on top of there. So yeah. Um, yeah. Let me just throw away my wooden pickaxe and actually I'll just throw it in here. Yeah, my stone pickaxe can go here. I'll keep this as a backup. So yeah, that's about it for now. We managed to get some iron, well, an iron pickaxe. We got some gold. I guess I don't know. Yeah, and a bucket. So that's nice. Yeah. I don't know. I hope this was an interesting video. If you thought this was cool, you can actually check out the game on itch.io. I also linked the source code. It's free software under the GPL v3 license. So yeah, if you're into that. Um, yeah. If you have any feedback, please let me know. Feel free to check out the game. If you think it's interesting, if you do try out, I would also appreciate some feedback. And yeah, I will. I'm not sure when I'll necessarily do another major update for this. Survival mode was already kind of that was a whole beast to implement, so I'm not sure. Maybe in the sometime in the future. Again, like I said, I have college coming up and all that stuff. So yeah. Mm, I guess I'll do the whole shilling for my channel and say, if this stuff interests you, if you want to see some more showcases of my programming projects, subscribe. Or if you don't want to, don't. I'm not making you do anything. I'm not threatening you with this stone axe. Or at least I physically cannot, and I'm not because I think that's illegal. And you know what? I'm just gonna stop rambling. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. Have a nice day.